this is the G code that we generated, and this is the planning of how the bit is going to be moving, which is XYZ axis of the machine are going to be moving. And what is going on right now is auto leveling process, which means it is every time it touches, it is mapping the Z plane if there are any bends in the PCB. So it is finding out how much is the error between the origin that I have set and the actual PCB origin plane. So it is finding out how much is the major difference between the origin that I set and the origin that it is finding out over there. And for that it is using electrical conductivity. Every time there is electrical conductivity, that light glows, which means that's the actual physical Z plane 0. So it is actually finding out the difference between the origin that I set and the actual origin in Z axis, in height, and that is what it is going to be applying when running this G code. So every time it comes across, for example, this minus 1.55, every time at a particular location it will apply that much correction. For example, 0.016 here, that correction will be applied in order to implement minus 1.55 cut Z.